So summer has just started, but not at the Dollar Tree. They're already merchandising for fall, harvest, and Halloween. In this video, Chica Crafts and I are super excited to show you the merchandise, and we're gonna get started now. Are you ready to take your summer merchandise, make room for your new fall, harvest, and Halloween merchandise? Well, we're gonna show you how. My name is Jobuffalo, and if you're new to my channel and you love to learn to do things with someone you love to do them with, then you're in the right spot. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We just recently took a trip to the Dollar Tree, and they've got their 2019 fall, harvest, and Halloween merchandise out already. We even picked up this guy Scarecrow Jobuffalo. But let's go show you the rest of the stuff we got and a little trip around the store, and we're gonna head inside now.
So in the Dollar Tree, you could see that we are still in summer mode, where they have their signing in the back of the store. But as you move through the store, I think what's really awesome is that they start to put your fall and your winter and your harvest stuff out, and it really gives us an idea what to look forward to in the next couple months. As you can see, Chica Crafts is completely excited right now, starting to fill the basket up with these awesome looking pumpkins. But just look what they have out so far. You could see the floral arrangements, some acorns, some pumpkins there, a couple Thanksgiving signs, some leaves. There's those pumpkins again. They're really neat looking. Again, all this stuff for $1, and really to get ahead of this is just completely amazing. Here you look and you see we've got, again, the floral, just a different angle of this counter. We backed up a little, and you know, a lot of these videos you'll see that people do the dollar store, it kind of goes through really quick. What I did was just take a shot of it, slowed it down for you so you can really take in what they've got to see. Again, they had about 4 counters set up. This would be the second counter set up here, and here there's a lot of painting supplies, pumpkins, again, turkeys, and all the pumpkins on the bottom, the deco mesh on the bottom. They had these mesh ropes, which is a phenomenal deal. You'll see at the very end of this in our basket, and then of course in the what we show you at the very end, there is a deal because it's only $1, and online you're spending like $4 or $5 when you order it online. Again, here, Halloween, you got your spiders and all your cool looking wreaths, ghosts. And again, Chica Crafts completely excited, filling that basket up. Probably the most I've ever spent in a Dollar Tree, and it was kind of exciting. And there's little Jobuffalo. Again, another counter, the other side, and our basket's full. So this is the part of the video. If you like what you see, go ahead and smash that like button. Here's what we ended up getting: some pumpkins. There's the Scarecrow Jobuffalo. Some leaves, some more of those foam pumpkins, a nice happy harvest sign, a happy Thanksgiving sign, a whole bunch of those rope mesh, which will make some awesome wreaths for the Chica Craft Etsy account. But hey, if you're not following us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, go ahead and start now. And as always, I'm Jobuffalo, and we are always entertaining. Enjoy making some crafts and wreaths for the fall decoration. See you next time.